Dental crowns are a common dental procedure used to restore the shape, size, and function of a tooth that has been damaged or decayed. They are a popular choice for patients looking to improve their smile and protect their teeth from further damage. However, the cost of dental crowns can vary significantly depending on the country you are in. In this video, we will compare dental crown prices in Europe with those in Turkey. Europe is known for its high-quality dental care, but it also comes with a high price tag. The cost of a dental crown in Europe can range from $500 to $1,500 per tooth, depending on the material used and the complexity of the procedure. In countries like Germany, France, and the UK, dental care is heavily regulated and the cost of treatments can be quite expensive. On the other hand, Turkey has become a popular destination for medical tourism, including dental procedures. The cost of dental crowns in Turkey is significantly lower compared to Europe, with prices ranging from $150 to $500 per tooth. This has made Turkey an attractive option for patients seeking affordable dental care without compromising on quality. One of the main reasons for the price difference between Europe and Turkey is the cost of living and labor. In European countries, the cost of labor and rent for dental clinics is higher, which is reflected in the price of dental treatments. In Turkey, the cost of living is lower, which allows dental clinics to offer competitive prices without compromising on quality. Another factor to consider when comparing dental crown prices in Europe and Turkey is the quality of materials used. In Europe, dental crowns are typically made from high-quality materials such as porcelain or zirconia, which can contribute to the higher cost. In Turkey, dental clinics also use high-quality materials, but at a lower cost, making dental crowns more affordable for patients. It is important to note that the price of dental crowns should not be the only factor to consider when choosing a dental clinic. The qualifications and experience of the dentist, the location of the clinic, and the aftercare services provided should also be taken into account. It is recommended to do thorough research and read reviews before making a decision. In conclusion, when comparing dental crown prices in Europe and Turkey, it is clear that Turkey offers more affordable options without compromising on quality. Patients seeking dental treatment should consider the cost of treatments, as well as the quality of materials used and the reputation of the dental clinic. By weighing all these factors, patients can make an informed decision and choose the best option for their dental needs.